What's up, guys? Today we are fishing again at the same pond, same spot. But towards the end of this video, I'm gonna put in a little clip of a upstate trout fishing. Upstate trout fishing. I'll put a little clip in there with it towards the end. And yeah, I'm just fishing right now, the usual. This time, cutting into the video here, I realized halfway into fishing, my GoPro wasn't recording. So I was like, darn it. So I'm just gonna cut you right into the trout fishing upstate. Right about now. What's up, guys? Today we are trout fishing upstate. And we just got to the spot. If I can get it out my backpack. Okay. Setting my pole. I got a little crawfish thingy on. If I can get it off here. Okay. See if I can catch one. That's the goal. See what happened, dude? My tip fell off. Let's go. Tip fell off. The tip back in. I fix my tip and go back to what I was doing. I backed what I was doing. And now I can actually fish now. Trout fishing upstate. It is super nice up here. Super nice. Super nice just fishing. You know, this little stream here. I have a little crawfish thing on. And I don't think I might catch something. Might not. Fishing. Business is going. Do I have? Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. We're good. Might have had a bite, or it was just a rock. Probably just a rock. Here. If I can get in that dark spot, I'm cooking. If I get it right in that dark spot right there, I doubt I will, but not even close. Try one more time. Now I'm just gonna sit down. I'm having it. See if I can see how far I can launch it. Where's your buoy? Oh, she's done. Right. Well, that's really good. That was a pretty good cast. That was nothing good, but nothing else so bad. I still bobber on my thing. That's a good cast. You should catch something right there. Mine's, you have a heavier weight on yours, so mine's not. Yeah, mine's a little lighter. In there probably. I do want to go fish in there. I knew I should have brought my mucklucks. I would have went in the water. Dang it. What? I would have went into like right there. It would maybe help me cast right there. We don't have. We have 0 split shots. 0. Split shots. What do you think you're doing? You put on a rooster?
Yeah, if you're having.
That's a good idea.
You got the one on?
Mhm. Yeah, I'll do that. This what pole's made for, anyways. See this? Can't cast for nothing. Nothing. I'm taking my expensive one, I see. No, I'll use one of the $1 ones. It's fine. I'll use the $1 one. It's fine. No, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Now I'm gonna use a whopper plopper. Catching a big old bass. Now I'm gonna use
white.
White?
Yeah.
I have green.
What? Yeah.
I also have a rainbow trout color.
Ooh, give me that.
And I also have bright green.
You have white?
Yeah.
Give me that one.
You want rainbow trout? I'll take this one. You take that one.
My line's a little.
It's right there. It's bait. Oh, different bait. It's fishing.
I'm changing my bait because I washed it. I would wash it.
Mhm. No, I didn't.
Not lose the bait on purpose, Stephanie.
I did not lose my bait, but I'm just changing it because I can. Yeah, I don't do any fancy knots. Sometimes I do. Sometimes I don't. Simple as that. I used to do freaking regular knots. Knots work great. I do. I know they don't. Sometimes I do a fancy knot. Sometimes. Alright. This is what this is. This rooster tail is what this is made for, so. Alright. What if I hook a frog? Like one of the mini frogs. Like, what if I hook it for bait, though? Would that be... You think I would catch something? Instantly, you see this? Catch my shirt. Bruh. I just tied my thing on and just came instantly off.
You lost it?
No. Have it. I pull it first to make sure it doesn't come off. Because sometimes, you know,
I thought you did. That's exactly what you did.
What?
Hold it and it came off. Alright, cool. I did not throw it.
Yeah, that's why I always make sure. Looks like I'm gonna be using my special knot. See how that works?
What do you do for special knot?
I don't know what it's called, but I do.
What do you do?
Mm-hmm.
I do the 2 loop and then spin. Who's that? Ready?
Yep.
Got anything, Steph? How you doing? Pretty good.
Please say it holds. Please say it holds. It holds. Cool. We're good. All right, I think we're in business. I think we're doing good right here. A fish? Oh yeah. That's a good one right there. Hmm?
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was the wrong thing.
Doing cheap versus expensive rooster tail right here. I got $5 rooster tail. He's got a $1 rooster tail. You catch something. What do you think's Alright. Looks like $5 Tails winning. He's ready hooked. Terrible. Bad cast. That was a terrible cast. Not bad. Alright. Just fixing my camera. Last video, terrible camera work. Don't know what I was thinking. That's pretty good cast right there. Anything? 70? That's pretty good. At least you got bites. Fishing. Terrible cast. I'm gonna try down here. Give it a little shot. Let's see if this works. I doubt that's gonna work, but just fishing, fishing, fishing. Terrible cast. I might try over there. Throw another cast right here. I'm just gonna walk over there. See what we got going over there. Perfect. Or I'll go over there. No, I'll try over there, then I'll walk over there. Anything over here? No. I'm going over there. Throwing a quick cast. Right. There you go. Anyway, I'll catch something over here. There's a current cable cast. There's a little hole right here. There's wood on here. There's a piece of wood on my tail. On my rooster tail. I'm trying right here should be pretty good between the currents, two currents that are flowing. Pretty good cast right there. Should be pretty good. Whoa. over there. Just these like baby fish. Starting to rain. A little bit. A little bit. Oh, I need to get all types of stuff. But I don't think it's gonna happen. It's a possibility, but I don't think it's gonna happen. Boom. I doubt I'm gonna catch a fish, but alright, I guess. This very small fish eating my thing right now. It's pretty crazy. Comment down below if, I don't know, tell me I'm doing something wrong about trout fishing. I'd like to try to trout, but comment down below something I'm doing wrong. I don't know. I might be doing something wrong. I don't know much about trout fishing, so I'm using a rooster tail. Pretty much it. Just using a rooster tail. And just, no. Boom. Perfect. Oh. Come on. I'm good. There we go. Alright. My last cast right here. Make sure it's a good one. It was not a good one. Reeling quickly. Yeah. Alright. Last cast. See if I can catch anything on my last cast. Nothing. Nothing on my last cast. Nothing on my last cast. Nothing. Oh.
Any bites?
No. Maybe. I don't know. No, I'm good. Alright, we're good. Alright. Did not catch anything this time. But, might come back. Man, I might catch it. Doubt it, though. Seriously doubt it. Anyways,
Sounds like a run anyways.
leaving. Leaving this spot. It's pretty dumb. Alright. This place is a little wild going through, but no one does. Alright. We should be good. Okay. Alright. Alrighty.